Okay, the drum. I keep 400 pounds of bird seed. It's getting half. So anyway, I'm going to feed the birds. First, I have to make it pepper hot, so squirrel will not bother. Here's the cayenne pepper powder dissolved in water. I'm going to mix with the bird seed, so the squirrels will leave the bird seed. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the bird seed. Now I'm going to mix cayenne pepper dissolved with water right here, making it very hot. Very hot. Here we go. There's some birds are there, very hungry. Alright. So my beloved, here I go. So here it is. Now I'm going to put a cinder block over it. So the raccoons will not open it and eat all the seeds, okay? There it is. My beloved, take care of the environment. We human are the human. We're supposed to take care of the environment, okay? Birds are hungry, so let them eat. Okay, my beloved, I have to go to grocery before the big snow start. So I'll show you in the evening.